Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are here for the very first time. Just to reintroduce myself, my name is Desiree Marie and I do all sorts of videos, mainly lock videos. I talk about lock hair care and maintenance. I bring you guys along with me as I wash and maintain my hair, and I get really real and raw with you guys. So you see the struggles and the successes. I also do a lot of hairstyling videos. One of the hairstyles that I've done is this, so I will definitely have the video up for you guys to see how I did this cutesy lock petal afro-ish look. And I do little, daily vlogs here and there and home decor DIY stuff all around my first one-bedroom apartment. I actually made this. But anyways, guys, if you're looking for any of those types of videos every single day, definitely do hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on your notifications because I post every day. But welcome back if you are here and you are a part of the crew that is my subscribers. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to yet another video. I wanted to just come and sit down and chit chat with you guys, talking about lock hair care in the summertime. I know I did a lock hair care routine video. I pretty much showed you guys along the way of me spending the entire day from beginning to end, how I spend the day and how I maintain my locks during that particular day. But I know that I wanted to come and kind of speak to you guys and talk to you guys, give you guys like actual, pointers and, just chit chat with you guys concerning lock hair care in the summertime. Give you guys something practical as well as something fun to watch. So yeah, guys, I know that we are now in the summertime. Summertime has now come upon us. We are almost coming towards the middle of the summer, the prime time of summertime. Today the sun is shining. It is amazing. I love the season. But this also calls for a switch, a change, just like how you change from your winter wardrobe to your summer wardrobe, which is something that I've done here on camera. The same way that you kind of switch things up as far as your skincare and your hair care. In the wintertime, some things may rock better than they do in the summertime. Certain things in the wintertime that you do may not work exactly well in the summertime with all of the heat and humidity. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a few things that I like to do in the summer to kind of switch things up from the winter time. In the winter time, it is very difficult for your hair to maintain its moisture. It is brick cold, especially here in New York. When it gets cold, it gets cold, and so that really affects our hair, and it affects my locks as well because it dries out my locks completely. If I'm not getting on top of putting, spraying my hair, misting it, and using my oils, that is it. My locks look crispy and dry like it's frozen. But in the summertime, it is a little easier for your hair to maintain its moisture because there's so much moisture coming from the outside as well as moisture coming from your scalp. I mean, the sun is out and the humidity is pumping the moisture into the air, which helps your hair to stay moisturized and feel its best. So what I do in the summertime is I don't use as many oils as I did in the winter. In the winter, it was imperative for me to continue the oils, maybe put oils in my hair like twice a week and continue doing that so that it stays moisturized. However, in the summertime, it's so much easier. My scalp is, exuding its natural moisture, and whatever I put in my hair tends to stay in for a longer period of time. So what I do instead is I mostly moist my hair with my concoction of olive oil and water in my spray bottle, and I just mist my hair. I mist it every day so I don't have to apply so many hard oils onto my hair as I did in the winter. Another thing that I like to do is I like to rinse my hair. In the wintertime, I don't do this because I do not want to go outside with cold hair. That will contribute to a cold. But in the summertime, it's a lot easier because you can rinse your hair, and with all of the heat and humidity, your hair tends to dry a lot faster, and it's a lot better for you. I mean, it's easier for you to just wet your hair and go outside, I mean, it's nothing. The outdoors and the weather and the heat and humidity allow you to wet your hair and go straight outside. It's nothing. But in the wintertime, that's not something you want to do. So what I like to do is rinse my hair a lot, especially if I'm outside, especially if I am working out, if I'm sweating a lot. It's good to just go in the shower and rinse my hair and make sure to rinse out all of the, you know, elements that I may have gotten as, you know, I'm moving throughout the day, any types of dirt, whatever, oils. Just rinse and refresh my scalp. It also helps me to cool down. When my head is cool, the rest of my body is cool. So if you're anything like me, you really enjoy a good rinse at the end of the day. In the summertime, I also like to do a lot of cool updo styles. This is one of the styles. It's not an updo, but it is a cute little fun look. The summertime is great to do these fun looks because when your hair is down, if you have medium to long length locks, you know that you can get hot very easily. Your hair tends to feel like a wool hat, in the words of my mom, a wool hat on top of your head, and you really don't want that. So it's great to just put your hair up and try your hand at different cute updos that you can do just to keep your hair up off of your shoulders and out of your face so that you can feel cool, you know, for a longer period of time, as opposed to leaving your hair down as you probably would in the winter time. In the winter time, you're trying to remain warm, so you know your locks leaning on your face and on your back is really nothing to you. However, in the summertime, that is something I don't want. So yeah, I like to do a little fun looks with my hair and get creative as the summer progresses, you know. In the summertime, you also want to kind of lessen the head wraps, the head wraps that you do, you know, with the scarves. Right now I'm wearing this scarf as a headband, but a lot of the times, you know, a lot of females, they like to wear it to cover their entire head. You know, you cover your head and you have like the little ball on top. You know, there's so many cute fun things that you can do with head wraps and head scarves. However, in the summertime, you might not want to do that so much because it is hot. Wearing those heavy fabrics on your head will really contribute to you sweating, and your hair will smell because you're sweating, and all sorts of things are trapped up underneath that fabric. So you definitely want to lessen out wearing all the head ties, head scarves, and even hats, like nothing on your head. You want to have as much coolness running through your scalp as possible, if that makes sense. Another thing I like to do in the summertime is retwist more. And now that my hair is at a decent decent age, I am almost 2 years old as far as my locks are concerned, so it is a little easier for me to go without retwisting my hair. It's very carefree to just semi-free form. However, when you do so, you do kind of trap heat underneath by your scalp. When you're not retwisting and kind of, you know, keeping your scalp open and your hair is just covering your scalp, your head gets hot. For me, I get hot when my you know, retwist has gone like months without retwisting. When my scalp is not exposed, I get hot. And when I was not locked, I used to do a lot of braided styles in the summertime just to keep my scalp open so that I can get some air running through. Now that I'm locked, I can't, you know, I don't want to always wear braids over my locks. So what I do is just lightly retwist it and do that maybe every 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks I do that. But if you're at a different stage with your locks and you are more leaning on the baby lock side, I don't encourage you to retwist so often. But for me at this age, I think it's all right to kind of do it every 3 months, every 3 weeks, every 3 months, every 3 weeks, to maintain a cool head. Just see what your hair needs and go according to that. Another thing that I like to do in the summertime is wash my hair more often, and that is because I'm sweating a lot and I'm moving a lot, I'm active. So just to keep a clean scalp, I like to wash more often. I would wash, you know, once every 2 weeks, just to make sure that my scalp and my hair stays clean. However, if I am exercising or a little more active than I normally would be, I would go ahead and wash my hair every week. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's everything that goes with the summertime and my locks. That's everything that I do in the summertime with my locks, just to maintain healthy growing hair. Like I said, in the wintertime, some things work best, and in the summertime you might have to cut out some of those old habits and try new ones. But yeah, my advice, if you don't know what exactly works for you in either season, just try something. You know, try something and see how your hair reacts. Don't try anything crazy. You know, you don't want to end up with dyeing hair, but see what works for you and go with that. You know, it's all about listening to your hair and what it needs at that very point. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for videos like this. Also, check out this fun little look that I did. I will have all the details down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions as far as your locks are concerned, please let us know down below so that we can address some of those questions. If you're struggling with your lock journey right now, or you just need a little pointer here and there, let us know. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.